Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can get a paragraph automatically for practice in MS Word. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step is you need to click on is equal to, and then you need to click on rand and start the bracket. Click on 1 comma 2, close the bracket and hit on enter. So you can see that this is the 2 line, but if you need more lines paragraph, then you need to click on is equal to first, click on rand, start the bracket, hit 5 and again enter 5 and close the bracket, and after that you need to hit enter. So you can see that now there are different paragraphs, you can use them to practice anything. So this is the process by which you can get paragraph automatically for practice in MS Word. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.